Welcome back, guys. So here in our today's lecture, we will discuss about the how you can add the comments into the code and what type of the headings are available in the HTML. So here let me change the title for this headings. We have almost the six headings tag into the uh, first heading, first heading. And before we move forward, I would like to here like this the developer comments. The developer comments will be appear like this. This is identification called, so it will be the course look like the code look like arranged and in a way of hierarchical, so you can understand um, the end user can understand it easily. So let me complete this. So this is the H1. If we see here, this is the output of our this HTML, and let me save it. And then if you see here this, and you can open it into the browser like I mentioned you earlier as well. So here like H1, H2, like H6 up to H6 are available in the HTML. If you see here, the size of this heading is smaller than this, and like this way, here the second, third, here we go, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So here we go. You will see the impact of this heading. Like that, the different 6 type of headings you can use into the HTML. If you see here, this is the heading 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1. So like this way, you can add the headings in the HTML code. That's it for now. I'll be back with next move.